It's 9 seconds. Passing now with number 19. Foul with number 27, Jerry Reese. First personal foul, 13 foul at the South Blue Lions. Shooting on his free throw, Suli. Now here, rebound by Sally. Is steal by Sally. Pass to number 69, 2 points, number 69. Race. 5 is the floor. All of the 3. Pass number 69, pass to Lansen, short cover, 2 points, Lansen. Change paper again, 2019, 5 minutes and 26. Reyes 83, Derek Reyes. Standby for Gage 5, standby. Number 1, Asian Timo by Aviles. To Reyes. Reyes. Pass to number 83. Number 5. Pass to Lansen. Change 5. Pass to 5. Lansen. Change 5 the ball. Change 5. Ryan and ball. Ryan. Si Ryan.
Basta bigay ka lang ng down. Bigay ka lang.
Change 5 po. Change 5. Free throw po na tayo ng isa. Free throw tayo ng isa. Salvante. Walang jersey. Isa. Free throw po na rin. Isa lang. Salvante.
Meron ako nilagay dun sa Salvante. Partida.
One taking a free throw for one jersey. Converted. Kulang ang point ng isa. Blue Lights. Kulang ng isa. Traveling violation. Nagkaroon ng conclusions. Change 5 point. Change 5. Benya. Pass to number 20, Powell. Powell to number 12, Andrew Sevillano. Warning for penalty. Blue Lights, warning for penalty. First personal foul. Steal by Damasco. Pass to Sevillano. Pass to Damasco. Is steal by number 20. Pass to number 4, Santiago. Offensive foul by number 4. Second team foul. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chief Ablang. Ang pinaka-pogi sa kada. Sevillano, Nogi, Timo by number 24. Foul. Foul for this number 31. Penalty. First personal foul. Delvan. Penalty. Shooting 2. Number 24. Pelaro. First shot is good. Second shot is no good. Number 20. Benya. Pass to another Benya. RJ, Naman Sevillano. 14 seconds shoot. Rocket without license. Tumas na naman ang Licenciano and use. Nahuli ka ng end up to Sevillano. 3 minutes and 14 seconds. to Damasco. Damasco, pass to Primo de Damasco to the ball. 13 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. 24-20, Primo Lloyd, Tanase Masasus. And then, Hooper shot, right ball, 5, 6.